The easiest way to run DeepSeek R1 locally is to download and install LM Studio. LM Studio will handle all the sticking points that most users experience when trying to run DeepSeek R1 locally. Once installed, head towards the Discover section on the left and then do a search for DeepSeek R1 in the search box at the top. To get started, we'll just install the DeepSeek R1 Distill Quen 7BGGUF model. Select this result in the search and then find the download button and click it. Wait for this to download, and once done, click the button that says Load Model. Once this model is loaded, you can then ask a question. Let's try, what is the capital of France? And then click the Send button. And that's it. You've just installed LM Studio and started to use DeepSeek R1 locally. Go you! Please consider subscribing and liking this video.